ahead and work in whatever oils or lotion you're working with. I like to always do my stronger passes up towards the heart. I want to bring the blood flow up towards the heart. Press my fingertips in at the knee insertion. And what I'm doing is pressing my fingertips in and slowly rotating the knee medial, and medial means it's going in towards the inside of the body. I'm gonna move this sheet just a little bit so you can see what's going on here. Okay, now keeping those fingertips placed deeply within the muscles, you want to go all the way up to the insertion of the hip muscle. And sometimes you can even grab the outside of the hip and use your fingertips and let your fingertips go deeper into the hip muscle here in the growing area. Now, Dennis, I'm going to have you lift your leg up towards the ceiling. Okay, and hold that there for a few seconds. Now I have my fingertips still inserted here at the hip. And that's giving me a little bit more deeper interaction with those muscles. Now slowly release your leg back down. Perfect. And this way you can kind of work two muscles in one. So I'm also getting closer to the psoas muscle, which is the deepest muscle in the abdominal wall. Okay, let's lift that leg again. Perfect. I'm gonna hold that for 3, 2, and relax your leg slowly. And the entire time that the leg is lifted and as it's going down, I'm applying that same pressure. And if you notice here, my fingers are now deeper into the psoas muscle and the hip muscle here. Can you see that, or do I need to move the sheet more? And then so I'll do a dragging motion, excuse me. All the way back down to the knee. Now I'm going to lift his leg. I'm going to take this arm here. We're going to do a stretch. We'll bend the knee. Some people are more flexible than others. You go with their movement. He's pretty flexible right now. So we're going to push and hold that down for 3 seconds. And then we're going to bring that leg out laterally, so that's away from the rest of his body. And bend the knee. Okay, so now we have opened the groin a little bit more. I'm going to get a little bit more oil. And what I'll do here now, I'm using a broader tool, so I'm using my hand flat, and I'm going to come from the knee. We're going to work our way up. And the more you lean forward and use your body, the deeper you'll get. You can do a few passes to try and get in there as deep as you can without irritating the muscles or shocking them. And so now if I want to get a little bit more accurate pressure, then I use my knuckles. So you want to make a soft fist. once you're there at the groin, you can kind of work your fist in a little bit, maybe do some side to side motion. And here, I'm gonna take his foot, and I'm just gonna bring it away from his body even more, while I'm still applying pressure at the groin. And then you can even have them bend that way. So bend their foot in towards their body, still applying that pressure. And then you work your way back down towards the knee again.